right, we got front entry all emptied out. The dining room's emptied out. This project is gonna be a total makeover and be amazing. Model, there's lots of changes. These are the original wall measurements that we took. This is the cabinet floor plan and layout. And of course, everybody likes to see the pretty pictures. So he is doing the tape and texturing. Last time you guys were here, it looked pretty empty, so now it's kind of fun to see this cabinet has been installed. I'm standing here with Thomas from Fabricators Unlimited, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about all these stuff that he's got on the wall. I'm standing here with Tom from GPS Electric. He's going to tell us a little bit about what he's got going on here today. I'm standing here with Mike and Denise, and we're going to find out a little bit more about why they decided to remodel and how the process has gone. I'm standing here with Jeremy from Fabricators Unlimited, and he's going to tell us a little bit about this. Today we are almost complete, so we're going to go through a few of the fun features